Hey guys, so we have Dennis here again, back at the Hancho Installation Center. We're gonna get a couple things done for him. 4 different products today. If you wanna speak about which ones you're trying to get done today.
Yeah, so roof rack, which I think is very OEM-like, which is really cool. You can save a ton of money by going with Hancho, which is really cool. Soft close door kit, which it's like definitely a feature with like Highline vehicles like BMWs and Mercedes. So it's going to be interesting to see this on a Tesla vehicle for the soft closed doors. And then a lot of owners complain about lack of lighting on the interior for the trunk. So I think we have 2 kits to add lighting to the front area because the Model Y Performance and newer Model Ys, they lose that front light because of the button. And so last time I was here, we did the auto front, and now we got that button back, but now there's no light, or there was never a light. And so the front light kit is what I'm excited for, and the trunk kit to add more lighting all around.
For sure, definitely, yeah. I know that a lot of people do complain about the lack of lighting, for sure.
Yeah, so how long do you think some of this stuff will take for install?
The roof rack, it'll be about 45 minutes. The trunk and front lighting shouldn't be too long, 10 minutes each.
Oh, nice.
And the soft close is the one that's going to take a little bit longer. You do need to take apart the whole doors.
Oh, okay.
So it is one of the more heavy installations. The first product we're going to be installing today is going to be the roof rack. So that one's pretty straightforward. It's just going to be 2 bars that go over the top of the vehicle. And then there's going to be 4 brackets that hold everything together, and they should be in here. Go ahead and open everything up. So 2 of the pieces right there, those would be the little covers. And then there should be 4 silicone pieces that'll go right on top of the glass. And then these are gonna be the hooks and the little nuts you're gonna want to hold everything down with. And that also comes with the key if you wanna lock it or unlock it. And this one's gonna be the trunk light, so it's gonna be the same thing as the front, it's just a little bit different size, a little bit bigger, just so it fits around the whole trunk. So here we have the front ambient light. It is RGB as well. You can see it's just one long light strip. You're just gonna wanna tuck it around the silicone or weather seal that it's inside. And then you have a tool in case you need some help trying to get everything in there. And then your little remote, since it is RGB, if you wanna change the color. And then here's the trunk light. Go ahead and open that up. And as you can see, same thing, light strip, just connects to your cigarette lighter. And as you can tell, it's a lot longer than the front. Pretty straightforward as far as the installation goes, just gotta tuck it all away. So once you have these hooks in, they're a little bit tricky to get inside. You do want to be careful. You do not want to crack the glass. Once you get those in there, you're going to get these silicone covers, and there's going to have markings on there. This one's L1, and then you can see that it's going to be on the left corner, and the little circle is a little bit more filled in than the rest, and then that's how you know where it's going to go. Just put it on there like that, and then this one says L2. Same thing. The circle is going to be filled in, as the other ones are going to be empty, and you put that one in the rear corner. And again, this is going to be the right side. You can see the right corner is filled in. That's how you know it's going to go on this location. Like I said, just the same thing as the other side. Slip it on over. And then R2, right corner in the rear. Bracket's already in. Put it on over. Just like that. So the way how you're going to know which one goes in the front and which one goes in the rear, the front is going to be slightly longer than the one in the rear. If you have them side by side, it'll be like 4 inches longer. So that's how you know which one's going to go in the front. And then you're just going to want to slip it in through here, and then you're going to tighten it down with the bolts provided. Stretch it across, lay it on the bolt gently. Get the first one in, make sure the other one doesn't move. Then line it up with the holes, and it should fit right in, right over the silicone cover as well. There's gonna be 4 of these nuts provided in the kit. Once you have the roof rack over, just put it on that original metal bracket that you put in underneath the glass. and just tighten it on all 4 sides. You don't want to go too tight either, so don't try and use some fancy tools, because then you can break the glass. We've had issues with customers trying to install it themselves and they're unaware of how much tension they're putting on, and they end up cracking the glass and they have to go back to Tesla and get it swapped out, and that's very expensive. You want to be very careful when you're tightening it. And then final step, once you have that secured, there's this plastic piece that goes right over to cover it up and make it look nice. Just pop it in there, just like that.
Nice.
So here we have the trunk light kit. So like I mentioned earlier, this one's just gonna connect to the cigarette lighter. And then you're just gonna wanna tuck the LED strip underneath the weatherproof cover right here. Run it this way, I think I'll run it this way. So like you see, you just lift up the silicone and just tuck in the LED. Just take some time, get it all around. But you do not have to remove the silicone weather cover. Just lift it up. There's enough space for the strip to fit without any issues or any sort of modification like that.
Cool.